Assalamualaikum to our beloved lecturer, Madam Salasia, and my fellow classmates. My name is Muhammad Aidil bin Azhar, and my group member is Azhan Fikri bin Muhammad Azhar, Ahmad Nur Hafiz bin Ahmad, and Muhammad Asfar bin Muhammad Nawawi. Today, we are going to present about PC installation regarding its details. So now, I am going to show the steps of preparation of installation disk. Step 1. Go to Google and type Windows 10 ISO. Step 2. Then click Download Windows 10 Disk Image ISO file Microsoft. The third step, after you click it, select and click Download Tool Now in the blue box. When you have downloaded it, there will be Windows 10 setup box appear in the middle of your computer screen, and there are two options at the bottom right, which is Decline and Accept. Please click Accept to accept the license term. After you accept it, there is a question appeared and two options, which is Upgrade this PC now and Create installation media for another PC. Please choose Create installation media for another PC and click Next, which is located at the bottom right. The next step is there will be selection of language, architecture, and edition, where you can change anything or just let in default customization and then click Next. And then there will be two options which instruct you to select media type, either USB flash drive or ISO file. Please select ISO file and then click Next. Then there will be few paths in Documents folder appear in the middle of the computer, where you need to choose one file and then click Save at the bottom right in order to allow the installation disk in Windows 10. The installation loading will take a few minutes, where you need to wait, and when the installation loading is complete, you need to click Open DVD Burner to verify the disk after burning, and then you click Burn, but you need to wait for a few minutes during the loading process. After the loading is complete, click Close and then click Finish to complete the process of this installation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and my name is Azhan Fikri bin Muhammad Azhar, and I will show to you guys on the installation of virtual machine. First of all, you need to open a browser and then you search for VirtualBox. After that, you choose the option on the top, which is Oracle VM VirtualBox, and click it. And after that, on the left side, you need to choose a download. After that, you choose the Windows host, click and start to download. and then you open the little box after install it, and you click next, and the location you want to put. There are the options: create a start menu entries, create a shortcut on the desktop, and create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, and register file associations, and you click next. After that, you click yes, and you can install it. Click yes, follow this app to make a change to your device. Click install. After that, you click finish, and then you can launch the virtual machine. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Nur Hafiz, and I will presenting on installation of operating system. The software we need to download before installation of operating system is VirtualBox. I think I decided to use VirtualBox for the virtual machine. You can download here through this link. Next, this is because the VirtualBox doesn't allow a third-party app. You can download here. We proceed with the installation of the operating system. As you can see, this is the VirtualBox menu, and use this as Windows 10. Then you click next. Depend on your computer spec, and then you are going to choose the size of your virtual hard disk. In this case, I'm going to choose just 20 terabytes. Just create. Then okay, storage. Let's remove this key attachment. For Windows 10, you just add IDE controller. Then you boot up ISO. Then for Windows 10, you set up virtual hard disk. USB. Just storage. Then is the step to installing operating system. Then you can finish.
Hi, hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna continue the last part for which is setting up our operation system OS. So the first one is I'm gonna show you guys the how to add the desktop icon. So the first thing first, go to the personalize and find them, and also next click the desktop icon setting, and when out this pop up, you guys can select all this thing to put in the background. Click apply. Okay, so as you can see, so the next one is we will change the background of wallpaper. So I'm gonna choose the UITM logo. Just click this, just go to the personalize, browse, and find the logo. We choose picture. Now you guys can see the wallpaper finally is changed. So the next one is I'm gonna show you guys to show the system information. The first one, go to the click this PC and right click, go to the properties, and you guys can see the device manager here. Other than that, if you guys want to find it with easily, also can search device manager. So it's really more easy to find the device manager, and go to the audio input, microphone update, which update the latest one, and wait until it done. So yeah, already installed. So close. So just close. Okay, so let's continue. Right now I'm gonna show you guys how to perform the disk partition. So first thing first is, once again, click this PC, right click and go to the manage, and wait, and when it open, just click this management, and you guys can see that this is the partition. So if you guys want to add the new partition, just click any this that you want. For example, I choose the E and right click, shrink volume, weight, and you guys can see, just click any amount that you want. For example, I'm just only go to the 2000 only, shrink. So just wait, and the unlocated finally been created. And in this one, just click once again, click new simple volume, click next again, and in this part just create any letter that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose G. Next. Okay, in this part just up you guys want to add any name. For example, I choose the name of the folder is games. Next, and now finish. So here the new partition here. So if you guys want to delete back and add the size of data back to the normal partition, just click back, just delete volume back. And but before that, if have any data in that partition, just backup first, just continue, yes, and then it will be free space, just like normal. And click this D, right click and delete partition. Click back, extend volume. Next, here the size megabyte that I'm choose earlier. So go to the next, finish, and it will be delete, and it will be going back to normal size. So that's all how. Okay guys, so the next part I will show how to set up the virtual memory. So the first one is click this PC, right click and go to the properties, and then click advanced system setting, and next just click setting. In here you need to click advanced and click change. So in here, please untick the automatically managing pages file size for all drive. Untick and just click custom size and just put any amount that you want. For example, I put hit number here, the recommended 2416, and here is maybe around 1800, and then okay. The change you may have required you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Okay, and then apply. Okay, okay. So in here you guys can restart now or maybe restart later. I choose the later one. So that's all how to set up the virtual memory. Okay, so the next part is I will show you guys how to share a folder. So the first one is go to this PC and find any folder that you want to share. For example, I go to the my local disk, and for example I choose this folder, right click properties, and you guys can see the sharing option. In this sharing, it have two way, which is share and also advanced sharing. So I'm gonna choose the advanced sharing. In this part, just click permission, and in this box, just click full control, click OK, OK, and then it have a full access. But before that, you guys need to understand that sharing and security option is the main point that if you guys want to share a folder. So in this security option, go to the edit, uh, click add, enter the any names of, for example, I'll choose the all, click OK, and in this box just click allow, and then click OK. So if you guys want to remove that folder, just click edit back, application package, and remove. OK, close. So that's the way how to share a folder. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna show you guys how to run the task manager. So the first one is go to the setting, just type the task manager here will be show, and just click it and it will be show. The next way is by go to the taskbar, right click, and you guys will see the task manager here, and just click it. So I'm just suggest two way to run the task manager with more easier. Okay, so for the last step is I'm gonna show you guys how to create a user account and check a name. So the first one is go to the Windows, find the setting. Next, go to the our account and find the family and other users. So in this part, you guys can choose the add someone else to this PC. So it will be pop up the new window, and just click I don't have this person sign information. Wait a moment, and once again just click add a user without a Microsoft account. So in this part, just you guys can put the person or anyone like family friend that wanna use this PC. For example, I choose the name of Abu. So if you guys want to make a password, just put a password. But right now I didn't put the password, so I just go through the and click next. So you guys can see Abu account is finally be created, and click this change account type, and in this part change to administration, click OK. So if you guys want to see if it work or not, just go to the window badge account, and you guys can see the Abu account is finally being created successfully. So it's the way how to create it and user account, change the name, and change to the administration account.
For the conclusion is, installation computer programs is the act of setting up the program ready for execution. Nowadays, there are a number of arguments
for not allowing users to install application on their own. Instead of that, there are a lot of benefit for users who can install software by their own. A good skill in software installation can save user money instead of to pay for installation new software or window at computer shop. They can save the cost by making by themselves. Thus, we can see that users can save their times from go to computer shop and queue at waiting list to install it too. Last, as the users that can install by our own, we will always up to date to current software in our computer. Make is our computer function parallel towards current technology. That's all from us. Thank you.